Hey everybody, you have two amazing energy channels that crisscross through your body. Ida Nadi on the left and Pingala on the right. And those are the ones that crisscross up through the chakras. And they represent the lunar and solar sides. Moon salutation, Ow! Which strongly influences Ida Nadi, your lunar side, your cooling side, the cooling effects of the body, your chill vibes. It'll give you good dreams. It'll enhance your sleep. In fact, it's good for people who have sleep problems. Another little detail, visualize a beautiful calm lake with a full moon rising up over the lake throughout this entire sequence. Try to keep that vision established in your mind. Okay, you ready? Follow me. Keep that full moon focus, the energy of the full moon. Inhale. Exhale to Ardha Chandrasana, the half moon. Inhale up again. Exhale to the other side. Push your waist out. Inhale up, down to the goddess pose. You can also put your arms this way. Inhale into the star pose. Exhale to Trikonasana. 3 big breaths. Keep that full moon in your mind's eye. Swing around to the one-legged lunge. Again, 3 breaths. Try to straighten your back. And spin around to the one-legged lunge, or the side lunge, I mean. Again, 3 breaths. Now into Malasana. Relax in this pose. Try to keep your feet flat on the ground. 3 breaths. And side lunge to the other side. And spinning around. I think this could also be called Banarasana. 3 breaths. Into Trikonasana. 3 deep breaths. And then into the star pose. Inhale. Stretch in 5 directions. Exhale down to the goddess pose. Inhale back up to Namaste Tadasana. Exhale to Ardha Chandrasana. Pushing your waist out. Keeping yourself in alignment. Inhale back up. Exhale to the other side. Inhale. And back in front of your heart. Namaste Mudra. An amazing sequence that really complements the sun salutation, which is of course Pingala Nadi. Have a lot of fun with this sequence, explore it. It's a very powerful sequence. Try it out, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to load up the comment box with questions. Thanks again for watching, participating, practicing, and we'll see you here again on Yoga Vibe.